now you are going to see the editing of PHP INI file. Okay, editing of PHP INI file. Okay, so editing of PHP INI file, that is first one, rename php.ini hyphen recommended to rename the copy to php.ini file. So here my computer, open C, open PHP, open, search for the ini file php ini hyphen recommended file, click OK, recommended, remove recommended and put as php.ini file. Okay, and next second step, edit php.ini, that is the notepad file with the below parameters. Okay, so here PHP ini file, click open, and you have to make the changes of the parameters. So that is a semicolon extension underscore dir. So we have to change it to extension underscore dir, that is we have to locate the part of C PHP. So why we are using editing this files means, semicolon is a command that is used to not execute the command by default. So here we have to remove semicolon to execute the commands. So here you search the file extensions underscore dir, and you have to change it to extension underscore dir is equal to, and we have to specify the path of the C PHP extension. So here we are changing into extension underscore dir, and also we remove the semicolon. We remove the semicolon in front of extension. We have to remove the semicolon. And next one is B semicolon session dot save underscore path, and we have to save, we have to search for the file in php.ini. Click on and sessions dot save underscore path. First remove the semicolon and make the file into C colon PHP sessions. Save the file into PHP sessions, and the C upload underscore tmp underscore dir. Search for the file upload underscore tmp underscore dir. Remove the semicolon. Okay, and change it to upload underscore tmp underscore dir. Okay, see, now we have to change the D, that is semicolon error underscore log, okay, to error underscore log C PHP. Change it into, okay, you check the file and remove the semicolon of that one, and C semicolon PHP log PHP dot log. Click on save, and next one is E, that is semicolon is equal to PHP underscore my DLL, that is DLL files refer to the database, that is extensions is equal to PHP underscore mysql dot DLL. So it represents the database files of MySQL. So here make changes to extensions. So DL. So here you remove the extensions is equal to PHP underscore MySQL dot DLL. Click on save button, close and close. Now we completed the editing of PHP INI file, that is step 2, and we are going to step 3, that is configuring PHP.ini file, and we are going to create a PHP file. Okay, the code is already here. Click open a notepad. Okay, now we are going to go to the C inetpub. The default directory for IIS is inetpub, C inetpub, www root, and so here we have to create a file, that is a text document. I said we have to create a PHP info file. So here whatever code we have copied from the slide, we have to paste into the document, and we have to save the file as first.php. First.php. Click save. So already we have created the PHP file, that is php.first.php. Okay, delete the notepad file. Click OK. We have successfully installed editing of PHP INI file, and we have created a file called as first.php. Now we are going to see the mapping of IIS into PHP files. Okay, mapping IIS to PHP files. Add hosting folder into home directory folder. So here go to Start, Settings, Control Panel, Administrative Tools, open, Internet Information Services, open, default, that is websites, default website, click open, go to properties, click to home directory, and the default directory is C inetpub www root. So here inetpub www root, check the first.php file. That is, click on the documents, add PHP file into the documents tab by execute by default. Documents, that is add first.php, click OK, and move the file to the first. As soon as you type the localhost, the first page of PHP will be opened. After adding the first.php into document file and restart the IIS, go to IIS and restart IIS. Now you can see the IIS is restarting. Okay, close, and now check the file is executing or not. So here the browser type http localhost. After successful completion of after successful completion of PHP INI file, okay, we'll get the PHP info page. So here after that we have to restart our system for making changes in the configuration settings. So here please restart the system and again verify. Now the mapping of IIS has been finished and we have to restart and verify the PHP INI file. So here we have to check, restart and verify the PHP INI file. Okay, open browser, http localhost. Okay, see PHP INI file has been successfully loaded. Now you can see the PHP info file.